Today, we will discover how to spot setups quickly. We will be observing the price action in detail for momentum trading. Furthermore, we will improve our trading skills to achieve pro trader level. If you are ready, let's go. Today, I wanted to do some reverse engineering so we can look at things from the end all the way back to the beginning to build a better overall trading understanding. Let's take a look at this chart on Bitcoin that recently played out in the market. I think some of you probably caught this move already, but now we are going to break it down in detail step by step. I want you to first look at this inner structure break right after this small swing failure pattern. Because this structure is very clean and very regular. It could have formed in almost any location in the market. So if I saw this on any random day, I honestly wouldn't even care about it on its own. So why should we care about it here? Because of when it happened and where it happened in the overall context. The first thing that I would like you to do is here, look at this area above, where we have these triple equal highs, which are very clearly visible and obvious on the chart. And this gives me a clue that there are too many open orders waiting above. This is my first clue to pay attention to. My second clue would be this large imbalance area along with this inner support and resistance flip. But this imbalance area on the 5 minutes especially is not that most important factor here, because there are much more important things we will discover later on. This would be my second major clue on this setup. So overall, this could have been a very nice trade idea in theory. By itself, it is not enough to take a trade with confidence. Now let's talk further. Before we move on, I would like us to take a moment to improve and build a clear understanding again using much simpler visuals so you can follow everything more easily. So what happens here is that we have this very clear and significant triple equal highs forming above, which is signaling something important to us. There are likely too many stacked orders waiting above this area, which creates a strong liquidity zone. And down below, we also have this imbalance area with the SR flip location marked in that region. This is exactly why this internal structure break combined with this light swing failure pattern becomes extremely important. As I mentioned to you before, you could have observed this structure break in different places. But what makes it highly valuable is where it actually occurs in the move. Then the second part comes from the higher time frame analysis, because today we are essentially doing a form of reverse engineering. First, on the 1 hour and 2 hour charts, you will notice these strong imbalance areas. As I mentioned before, imbalance zones are some of the most critical areas, because if they hold, we are more likely to see a continuation in the price action trend. And if they fail, we are more likely to see a reversal instead. So these imbalance areas essentially help us to determine potential direction we should be trading. And if you look closely, you will also notice this light swing failure pattern forming in this region as well. So overall, what we have here is the multi-imbalance and multi-swing failure concept working together. And this setup is now positioned to potentially take out the higher internal liquidity area above. This is a very powerful pattern when we observe it carefully because it carries a lot of valuable information. From time to time, I suggest that you perform this kind of reverse engineering yourself to better understand how the market structure actually works. Okay folks, have a great and nice day. Remember to manage your risks. See you in the next video. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free TradingView Indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.